In this video, we're going to talk about how can we transform an ordinary video like this to this. These are the questions I have to answer almost every day. How to make my video looks more pro, how to make my subject looks more 3D, why all my shows looks like a paste on the paper or this. Yes. Today we're going to talk about the answer. The answer is only one thing: light. Yes, we're talking about light. Yeah, when we play with lights and the shadow, we can create all different kind of effect to achieve all the things that we want to make it more 3D. Yeah, multiple points of light source will make your subject looks more pro. Put it in a simple term, right? So for right now, our setup you'll see from here is kind of typical 3-point lighting. When we talk about 3-point lighting, we're referring to the key light, fill light, and backlight. Sometimes we will need to add in more, like the background light, to give your background a more the kind of shade to make it more interesting. To achieve a better video like this, we need to understand the basic rules of the light first. So first of all, is the key light. Okay, some of you might just simply use one key light to achieve very good video. Key light is the one that light up our face. That's what we call key light. That's the meaning of key. So you might use that one light to achieve a nice looking video. You might also want to add more. So we need to understand all these basic rules first. The key light. Right now my key light is on my left hand side, 45 degrees, slightly above my face. So this is the effect that you're looking at now. So for the key light, we have multiple positions to play with. Okay, one way. Place the key light close to the camera. It's a typical setup for most of people who are doing like vlogging or so. You carry the camera around, put a small light on top. This is going to be direct in front. This is the one that people are asking, why my face looks so flat. Yes, this is called flat lighting. Okay, it's almost parallel like this. Okay, so when we move the light slightly above my face, we'll create an effect, or we call paramount, or some people call butterfly effect. So these are commonly used on some of the movie. That's what we call paramount effect. And the butterfly effect is referring to the shadow below the nose. It generates like a butterfly shape, butterfly type of shape below the nose. Okay, this might not be the best because it is still right in front. Sometimes we prefer to shift the light slide to the side. At this moment, we are going to see a little shape beside the nose, like a loop. This is what we call loop effect. Okay, you may try that. When we move the key light slightly to the side, you'll see the shape generate at the nose here. Yeah, this is called loop light. And if we move the key light a little bit further, it's almost like 60 degrees to the camera. You'll see the shape change the shape already. You might see a bigger shadow, and the shape of the shadow become like a triangle. This is also known as a Rembrandt light, or you can simply remember as a triangle light. Okay, this is one of the typical setup as well. When we move our key light even further, almost 90 degrees to the camera, the camera is here, and the light goes this way. It's almost 90 degrees. Then what you see is speed light. You see the very clear line in between the face. Here, this is called speed light. Okay.